Find or read reviews that people are talking about Dododuck Android Auto Wireless Adapter. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Dododuck Android Auto Wireless Adapter. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Auto Connect. Your phone will connect automatically once it has been paired with the Dododuck wireless adapter. Only compatible with Android Auto-equipped audio systems. This adapter will not convert a regular system into Android Auto. It will convert a regular Android Auto system into wireless. Enjoy fast and easy connection in just 3 simple steps. No extra drivers or installation applications needed. Plus, our adapter will automatically activate the Android Auto wireless connection every time you get in the car, so you can access your apps and media faster than ever. Get ready for a smarter, safer, and more connected driving experience today with Android Auto adapter. With its lightweight and sleek design, this adapter fits perfectly in any car, providing easy access to both USB and USB-C ports. Don't worry about space, it takes up almost no room in your car. Enjoy fast data transfer speeds, connecting your phone to your car with one simple device. Get Android Auto adapter now and start driving smarter today. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.